In the previous video, we presented the concept of a function. Functions and their plots are like basic sentences that we can combine to tell stories and draw conclusions in theoretical modeling. In this video, we show how these sentences can be combined, in other words, how functions can be composed. Alongside the function f, we now consider another function g with domain big Y, graph big G, and codomain big Z. We use the letter capital Y to refer both to the codomain of function f and to the domain of function g so that we can easily illustrate the process of composing functions, which schematically resembles plugging a power plug into an extension cord. The composite object can be thought of as a single function that associates blue dots in domain x with green dots in codomain z. Little x is an arbitrary yet specific and particular number in domain big X that corresponds to the particular object little z, which equals g of f of x. The function can be read g circle f or g after f, and we call the graph of g circle f. This entire picture illustrates the concept of a composite function. To provide a concrete example, we allow domain x, codomain y, which is in fact also here domain y, and codomain z each to refer to the entire number line. In this example, the graph f will be described by the relationship y, in other words f of x equals x squared, and the graph g will be described by the association rule for z, that is to say g of y equals y plus 1. Examples of ordered pairs include 0, 1, 2, 5, and negative 2, 5. The plot associated with the composite function in this example is a vertically shifted parabola. The idea of function composition that we have illustrated in this video allows us to define a concept that relates pairs of functions. This is the concept of the inverse of a function, which we present in the next video.